In the world of high-speed production, consistency and performance are key. But one major manufacturer in the food and beverage industry struggled with an all-too-common issue: how to gain live visibility into the performance of its packaging lines without interfering with ongoing operations. Without real-time data, issues like downtime, inefficiencies, and quality losses often went undetected. There was no way to track the overall equipment effectiveness, or OEE, across machines in a unified, scalable way. That's where Sentinel MDS steps in. Based on Parinet's products, they developed an efficient, modular solution that required no control system changes and no production stoppages, just fast, seamless integration. Sentinel's ZentNode OEE, based on Parinet's Perinode GPIO adapters, collect critical production signals that include unit counts, cycle times, and downtime. This data flows through a Parinet-enabled Ethernet infrastructure to a local Zentage server, based on the PeriMika modular edge computer, where it is processed, stored in an SQL database, and visualized in dashboards. The dashboard gives you a live view of key metrics such as unit counts, cycle times, and machine status. It indicates availability, performance, and quality, all in real time. Drill down on the timeline to gain detailed insights on production speed, or choose larger timeframes for analysis. The combined solution delivers immediate transparency and long-term efficiency. Downtime can be addressed in real time, and OEE trends are tracked over weeks. Installation will be quick with Sentinel's modular design and Parinet's plug-and-play connectivity. Sentinel's solutions, built with Parinet's award-winning technology, bring scalable efficiency to virtually any industrial environment. From assembly lines and textile mills to logistics centers and paper production, this technology enables data-driven insights across diverse sectors. Monitor machine efficiency, analyze OEE, and unlock scalable improvement, whether in plastics processing or electronics manufacturing. Wherever OEE matters, Sentinel's solution based on Parinet's products deliver efficiency, seamless, scalable, and smart.